Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can recover your Roblox account without the email or phone number required. So it's pretty simple. First, you want to search for Roblox support. Once you search for Roblox support, click on the first link where it says support and it'll take you to your Roblox support page. Over here, enter the username of your Roblox account. After you do that, enter your real life name over here. After you enter your real life name, where it says email, you need to enter the email address. Okay, so enter an email address which you have access to. You don't have to enter the email which is linked with your Roblox. Just enter the email which you have access to. Once you enter the email which you have access to, what you want to do is enter it again to confirm it. Once you confirm your email, scroll a bit down and click on please select. From please select, you can choose whichever platform you want, but I play Roblox on PC, so I will choose PC. You can choose whatever you want. Over here, click on please select and choose over here account hacked or can't log in at the top. That at the bottom, click on please select and choose forgot password. Once you choose forgot password, over here explain your problem. So let me show you what you need to write over here. I forgot the password of my account, so I can't log in. I also don't have access to my email or phone number. Can you help me recover my account? I can provide you any details you want. Thank you. After you fill this form up, click on submit. And this will be submitted and Roblox staff will view your problem and they'll reply to you on this email in 2 or 3 days. So make sure to keep checking your email and they'll help you recover your account through your email. So hope you understand. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.